Hi everyone, Lynked.World is our today's next project. Lynked.World's solution is twofold. First, it's a professional network, and second, it's a digital wallet for verification and storage of various notes, documents, and so on. So let's start with About Us section. This section has a pretty good structure. As you can see, images, information and team, and information about team and advisors as well. Let's start with the mission statement, which is to provide a secure platform for individuals and institutions to own, control, and share digitally trusted identity. You probably know that creating a decentralized hub for digital identity was among the recent trends in the blockchain sphere. And for these, companies would try to design a wallet, which is a storage for your identification. So once you have possessed such a wallet, you can use it on various platforms to log in or to proceed any registration processes and so on. So Lynked.World is a project among these kind of solutions. The company has received 3 awards from the Times Ascent. The company has received 3 awards from the Times Ascent. You can also click on more to find out about this conference, about this organization. Let's move down. Who we are and what our key features are. So LinkedIn is a provider for secure solution for digital trusted identity, and they have pretty much key features. Okay, identity verification, which is a very common term to be stated as a distinct feature, I should say. Educational employment verification. These two are these are already important features to be noted. So we got to know that this verification can be used while applying for a job or applying for probably scholarships or position in the institution at the university and so on. Digital wallet, which is a tool that will enable those verification processes. Blockchain verified profile, self-explaining term, should be of course built in these 2 verifications. Data storage, digital signature and share documents, good features. Digitally apply for certificates and services from home. Peer-to-peer, well, probably information sharing or transactions. End-to-end encryption, and the biometric. Okay, next one. Blockchain-based digital wallet. I think every blockchain company who elaborates such a solution should nevertheless put the spotlight on digital security and always try to emphasize the advantages of their digital wallets, in particular in comparison to their competitors. Let's find out whether Lynked.World has achieved this level. So this is a convenient way to store your personal identification. Our digital wallet enables users to own and control digital information. It is designed for employees, institutions, and businesses. And here is a scheme that illustrates the process of information fluctuation and sharing from the perspective of the user as well as perspective of the interested parties. Here are 6 steps which have been shown on the picture. What you have to do to generate a QR code. Here are the steps. Then proceed to scanning the documents. Then you'll be able to validate and share your data. After the authorization, you can also send documents to the platform itself, and then you proceed to the final 2 stages, which deal with authorized documents. So documents will be shared from the user's digital wallet, and the requester will receive authorized documents and can also validate individuals' documents. And move down to design of the issued identity cards. This is an important part because it illustrates how your identity card might look like. As an organization, you can also design various cards for your employees, for example, or for students, as in case with universities. As individuals, you're also able to you'll be also able to design identity cards using templates and features of the platform. All information presented in this card will be protected by the blockchain. Uses and benefits of digital identity. Again, for registration, issuing books in library, a very specific case, but anyway, it can also take place. Digital identity on your personal device, and it's also environment friendly and cost saving. Some other use cases, as it is shown with hotels. So once a particular hotel joins the platform, it will be able to generate its own QR code, present its guests with its code to be scanned, and then guests will be able to authorize the requested documents. So this is also a particular case to be used. Application for a new service. For example, while applying for a telecom service. For this, you also need to show your personal identity, and you can do it with the use of the platform. On using this option, the user is greeted with a QR code again, and can provide and authorize and verify, and can provide their document, and can provide their. On using this option, an individual will be presented with a QR code and can further then provide their documents. As for now, there are at least 3 use cases here presented on the platform, and they all go through the same procedure. Okay, what about secure transactions? Secure transactions will be conducted, of course, with the use of the digital wallet. These will be enabled in the Lynked.World mobile application. And for payments to be authorized, again, a user should scan the QR code. What are verified profiles for professionals? So we already know that organization can establish their identity cards and attract interesting parties or provide job offers, but how now applicants or individuals can apply for a particular position? So let's say you have already established your identity card. and you have already found an interesting place, an interesting job offer. Now you have to subscribe to interested job positions and receive latest news. Or let's say you are already a member of particular network or particular organization. In this case, you can also support those organizations by providing recommendations for your co-workers or colleagues. As for job portal, there is a specific case described in this section, but I think we can also skip this because we already know. That's all for this project. Hope you got the idea, and see you in next videos. Bye.